picture?
I didn't know it was video.
What are you doing? Ay! Pwede kaming resort shuttle. Punta kaming PST. Kitain ng family for lunch.
Really? What happened?
Are you not cold? Pull down your shirt.
Then go like this, okay?
Yeah.
Come on, Pod. No. Bird bus.
Ay, sa harap. Third day. Third and last day. Sakay kaming train. Ayan ang train station. Paano kami bibili ng ticket? Diyan ba? Diyan nga. Daming tao ngayon Saturday.
Can you turn your
Okay. Okay. Yes, go. Go inside. You want the chipmunk? Oh, Pluto. Chipmunk. Oh, Pluto. Where do you want to sit?
monkey?
Huh?
Chipmunk. Not chipmonkey.
Look at the windows.
Look at the windows.
Mickey.
Then circles.
Yeah, circle. Look at the handles. Cyrus, look at the handles. Mickey. What's that?
Why is this so amazing here?
Because it's Disneyland.
Welcome to the Disneyland Resort Line.
Nakatao-tao.
Three, two S. Two S.
May kasamang rice kala Iris eh.
A big capital S.
Yung mushroom sa ano. Hindi nila hiniwala yung chicken.
E. 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 Two E.
Number 3.
A. That's a capital. Capital. You said no.
Tatlo yun.
You said E. There you go. Like this. Pepsi. Like that. Ew. Stop saying.
gustong gusto niya. Dito na uli kami sa Disneyland. Pahinga muna saglit sa hotel lobby. Then saka kami pupuntang airport. Okay, let's go. Nakabalik na kami dito ulit sa lobby ng hotel. Pahinga muna.
Finally, in the hotel.
Finally back at the hotel. Nakadantay pa talaga. Hindi na naka-video sa Chimsatsui. Pero pumunta kaming Miniso. Ngayon bumili ako ng Pokemon. Chinese Pokemon. Look, it's a Pokemon box.
Yeah.
I'm showing it.
That camera
Yep.
for everybody to see.
Yes. Chinese version. Pokemon.
You're singing Ariel. You're making an Ariel song That's
Ito yung maze nila sa likod ng hotel. May kinakasal. Taba tayo. Ayan sila. Eko. Beauty yung babae, yung beast kasi yung lalaki. Mga Robby. Inggit lang eh, no? Kaya dapat na tayo taas eh.
Ay.
Check nyo lang yung yung... Wanna go inside the maze or no? Oh, check inside the maze, go. Gusto niya maglaro, kaya mo siya. Oh, where are you going? It's the maze. You have to choose. Oh, go. Choose where you wanna go. Tapos... Sisira tabit mo na ito. Sige, sundan ka namin. Nagpunta. Ay, lumayo. Naku, lumayo. Here. How about here? Gusto pumunta sa kabilang side. Paano ba to? Sana. Puro dead-end daw yung pupuntahan niya.
Ice cream.
An ice cream. Oh, what flavor?
That's decoration of
Oh, how are you gonna go there?
How can we go there? I think we're getting lost inside the maze. How to get out? We go into the airport.
Kaya enjoy siya sa maze eh.
Spotted another one.
Good job.
Good job. Good job. Time to go.
How about here?
Maze. Oh, you found another one.
Ready. Nadaanan ko na yung ano yun eh. Paano siya napunta dyan? Ah, umikot na. Okay, let's go back na. Yeah, there's exit there. Come.
The exit. Okay, go.
Cyrus, come here. Yeah. Now look at the flowers.
How about
Meron pa silang parang port dito.
What are these?
Let's have a family picture.
What are these?
Which one?
flower?
Flower.
Huh? There's no bees. There are no bees.